Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena, and today we're going to be making this About Us page in our graphics and illustration website design. We are completely done with the home page in the last video, but if you want to see the whole tutorial on making this whole website design in Figma, so the link is in the description. So, let's get started by making our About Us page. So, the first step of making the About Us page is we have this About Us page. Now what we'll do is the quick thing to do this is select all these things and make a group out of it by clicking Ctrl G and copy that group or click Alt to the group and select this. I am clicking Alt and I have one more duplicate of it. Remove this and then just change the text, which is unveiling creativity belongs site. See, this will be the text for the second About Us page, and put the same text here also because we are just making a practice project. And just change the button to view our pricing. Quickly, everybody, only 1 minute to all of you to do this. Only 1 minute and not more than that. And keep your image here, okay?